Bob Hardy preparing to climb the tower, and he's up a couple of feet there, a couple of rungs. There's the 40-meter beam, or preparing for the lifting rope. Bob Hardy is about halfway up the tower there, and that's Don Guthrie, climber and rigger extraordinaire. Don says, this job's a snap, Paul." As Paul Whitehead and Don Guthrie and Paul Hudson. And Bob Hardy is up at the 130-foot level. Don Guthrie dancing over the 40-meter beam, hooking up the lift rope. This is the lift rope going through the pulley at the bottom of the tower. The other end of the lift rope goes onto the winch. And the 40-meter beam is about 10 feet in the air here. Paul Hudson on the stay rope. This rope is used for anti-sway to prevent the beam from swaying in the wind. The elements are straddling the tower here. This is about the 90-foot level. That box, about 2 sections down from the top of the tower, is the rotor. Paul again on the anti-sway rope. And the 40-meter beam is up at the top plate, 130 feet in the air, on the self-supporting tower. The tower is 100 feet high with a 30-foot high mast above the upper portion of the tower. Phil Anderson, the coffee gopher, preparing the 20-meter beam, connecting the rope up to it with the straps. 20-meter beam at the 100-foot level, 15 feet to go. Bob Hardy receiving the 20-meter beam at its mounting plate. Yippee, boys, good job. And this is the 15-meter beam at about the 60-foot level, 80 feet. Almost at the 100-foot level. That's the 100-foot level right there. About 102, 103 feet at the plate. Plate on the mast. Bob Hardy securing the 15-meter beam to this plate. Helpers taking a rest. Bob Hudson on the left. Paul Whitehead, Don Guthrie. Paul Hudson says, "Great job, boys. She looks real good." Pretty good alignment on the beams. Bob Hardy securing the coaxes, strapping them to the mast and bringing them down to the 100-foot level where they'll be attached to the feed lines running up the tower. View from about 100 feet away, maybe 100 feet, 150 feet away. Following these stills will be a couple of short movies showing the rotation of the mast with beams on it.
Okay, power's coming.
Okay, go ahead.
Pretty silent, eh?
Yeah, it is, isn't it? You know, you wouldn't even know the motor's running until you see it. That moved pretty quick. That's no 1 RPM, that's for sure.
There's always that pregnant pause. I wonder if it's going to stop or not.
Yeah, I know.
Like that. Yes, it is. The shortest one is at the top, and I put it on the rightmost downwind.